everyone. My name is Christopher Nyeko. I would like to welcome all of you in my presentation. Today I'm going to discuss with you about climate change, which I believe is real. First of all, I'm going to start by defining what climate is. Climate is a weather condition of an area over a long period of time. Therefore, climate change is a change in weather of an area over a long period of time. I'm going to look at causes of climate change, which being both natural and human-induced. Number one, I'm going to look at the natural cause of climate change. I will start by with volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption causes what we call the dust or the ash. When it gets into the atmosphere, it covers the space, therefore obstructing the solar radiation. That's what we call the infrared from reaching the surface of the ground. It gets reflected back into the space, therefore causing a temporary coolness in the environment. And the one which is human-induced, we are looking at greenhouse effect. When we talk of greenhouse effect, we are talking about the gases that are mostly in the atmosphere. So I'm going to start by saying water vapor is one of them, and carbon dioxide and methane and the ozone. So these are the greenhouse gases that without them we could have problems, especially some part of the world could be too cold for someone to stay. According to Academic Search Complete, the rate at which we are warming the atmosphere with the release of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases is just alarming. Estimate of an increase in average global temperature over the next centuries ranges from 1 to 4.5 degrees Celsius. That's according to Lavros Chris, page 27. Activities like manufacturing, farming, deforestation, and transportation releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. So let's look at the effects of climate change. Melting of the ice, especially at the Arctic. According to Academic Search Complete, the accelerating loss of ice sheet and the sea ice and glaciers is one of the most powerful striking indicators of a warming climate. The same article says ice reflects up to 70% of the sunlight that reaches it. The same article also, according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, predict that we soon could see the first ice-free Arctic in over 1 million years. That's according to J.C. Alexander. The second effect of climate change is in the rise of the sea level. The global climate change is causing flood. According to Academic Search Complete article by Pakistan Journal of Agricultural Research, Pakistan is grappling with the multi-dimensional impact of climate change. These challenges such as rising temperature, declining in rainfall, flood, drought, yield loss. That is by Abbasi, Khan, and now page 620. So another effect of climate change, regular strong hurricane to the category 5. The one is recent was the one by Bahamas, the the one in September 2019, Hurricane Doreen swept across the Bahamas. So, according to the Academic Search Complete Again article by Taylor and Francis Group, in 2015, the research group of Francis Estrada and his colleague reported some evidence for the trend in hurricane losses. Phil Christopher B., page 68. The same study concluded that in 2005, 2 to 12% of hurricane losses might have been attributed to climate change. In conclusion, evidence to show that climate change is real could be seen in the rise in the global temperature, melting of the ice at the Arctic, and as also an increase in the rate at which the insurgents like uncertainties like hurricanes occur. Thank you for listening. Have a good one.